Hi and welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. In this video I'm going to show you the end of day maintenance for the Golz GS 350 wet saw. It's important to maintain the saw at the end of the day because after all it is a big investment and you want to come back to work the next day and have the saw ready for you to start work without any teething problems. So what you must do is remove the tray and clean all of the debris out of there, refill with clean water and flush the lines, switching the machine on through the pump and up into the head and cleaning everything here. Once you've done that, unplug the machine and check the blade for any damage. This will make sure that you're safe to go the next day. Personally, I think it's important to lock the head down so that it's not movable. You never know if there's going to be any children on the site where you've left the saw overnight, and they certainly won't know how to unlock it. So lock it and be safe. And last but not least, just give the saw a good clean down, all on the outside. Don't get water in the motor, but you can certainly use a hose pipe to swill all the decks down. And then you're ready for the next day. So in conclusion, clean the tray, flush the pump with new clean water, lock the motor down and give the whole thing just a general clean, ready for the next day's work.